How's it going, my good people? Just wanna start the video off. It's 2 in the afternoon, so we're just on standby, waiting for the storm. I guess you could call this the calm before the storm, because it's not much wind. There's some rain, but not much wind yet. Yeah. Once those trees back there start moving, oh, we got a little bit of wind, but I don't think that's nearly anything close to what's coming forth. So we just have this here. Looks okay. Got those. We put some of the spider webs. Hang up the nun ghoul, if you will. This around the fireplace here. I like this. This is probably my favorite right here. It's so cool. Some of the spider webs up there.
Keep up.
Okay. My son just pooped. Probably just gonna take a quick nap. Keep you guys updated on the storm Milton. We don't know exactly. I mean, they say probably Wednesday night to the morning, Thursday, but we'll see for sure. Keep you guys updated. So now it is approximately 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And this winds are actually picking up pretty violently. We're getting some pretty good gusts here. Some hard rain. Rain hasn't stopped at all. I'm about to actually go upstairs and just tape the upstairs windows. I think the downstairs will be okay. This thing just reminds me of the Nun movie. We have the Nun in our house. That's actually not even funny. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to tape up the upstairs windows. All right, so this is gonna be my finishing product here. It's not the best, and I don't think masking tape is the best tape to use, to be honest. Okay, my adult beverage. All right, so I just finished taping up the windows. I'm looking around though, none of my neighbors taped up the windows, so I'm not sure if it's, you know, I'm gonna take a walk around, see what's going on outside, maybe in another 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna go out again in the storm. Let me see if I could bring my waterproof camera. I have a waterproof camera. Maybe I can just take that out and get some footage on that to see what is going on outside. Hurricanes can be fun. Like, you know, the whole idea of people getting inside, like my wife's friend came from the Tampa area just to get out of that, because Tampa's getting hit way too strong right now. So it can be fun, but it can also be dangerous, you know, but you know, we're gonna make the best of it right now.
Happy Halloween.
One more time for good measure. What we got going on here on Hurricane Milton night. Say hello, honey.
Hello.
Got some salmon, bok choy chicken. I know you guys can't see out the window, but I can. All right, guys, this is my 10:30 update on Hurricane Milton. We've been getting some pretty good gusts though, but oh, my brother's way over there. Sideways rain. Oh man, I was just about to step out there as the rain kind of slowed down, but it just picked up some speed there. umbrella. It's got like a sunny sky on the inside. Let's just take a little walk out there, shall we? So even the rain is coming at us at like bursts. Oh, our umbrella's about to go inward. It's a pretty strong gust. I wouldn't say it's, oh, this is, wow, I've never seen this so high. This is like a retention pond and it's really high. Like I've never seen it this high. Heard some weird noises coming from that way. So I don't think it's at full, like completely here yet. It's on the way though, I'll tell you that much. Right now it's feeling like Hurricane Helene. Hurricane Helene was like this, maybe a little less. What's scary is that this pond can actually fill and spill out here. Oh man, my umbrella's on the verge of getting bent the opposite way. Alright, let's head back inside. Alright, so now it's about 4:30 in the morning. And the winds are really picking up. Really gusty. I saw a few transformers blow. I hope it doesn't get any worse than what it is right now, because if you can hear that. I can hear all kinds of noises. The lights are flickering. We still have power. I hope that power stays on, and if it doesn't, hopefully it'll just be a few hours. It's just really gusty, that's what it is. There's some really strong gusts, and then it calms down, and it goes back to like this. Let's go downstairs. Still got the Halloween decorations up and running. Oh wow. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let's take a look back here. This tree has been getting knocked around tonight. Whoa. I gotta go check what that was. I don't know what that was, really, I don't. Everything looks normal. Every time I go outside to look, like it sounds like something really just fell over. I see everything the same. So I don't know what these noises are. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. I'll definitely keep you updated with a part 2. If you're in the Florida area, stay safe. There's a little bit of bonus footage. Just stepped outside and it is breezy. Very busy. I hear transformers popping everywhere. And literally as soon as I turned off the video on my last few minutes ago, the power just went out and it turned back on. Oh, and now we lost power again. I know you guys heard that. Alright guys, I'm going back inside. There's officially no power. It's a matter of time, I guess, before it completely goes out. Anyway, stay safe, guys. So now the power is completely out. And my son is completely out as well. He is sleeping through the whole storm. Sleeping baby through Hurricane Milton footage.